Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who is behind a fake Instagram account. So if you are annoyed by a random Instagram account and if you want to know who is that who is behind that fake account, or if you want to know who is that real person behind account, so how you know about that. So for this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram account. And after opening, first of all, you have to simply report that account. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the profile of that account, and you have to simply click on that three dots, and you have to simply click on report. And after that, you will be able to report that account. And after reporting that account, you can also ask for the help from the Instagram team. For this, you have to simply click on profile, and here you have to simply click on set your three lines, and here you have to simply go to below of the settings and privacy, where you will find the option of help. So here you have to simply click on that, and you can simply check for the report problem, and you have to simply click on report abuser spam. So here you have to simply click on report problem without checking, and after that you have to simply click on include and continue, and here you can simply explain about the that profile which is annoying. So you have to simply tell about the Instagram team. Moreover, you can also put the screenshot in it, and after putting the screenshot and writing all about that profile, you can simply send to the Instagram team, and they will check for that profile and remove that profile from Instagram. Moreover, there are many apps which allow you to check for the Instagram account. So you have simply search for that kind of apps, but I will recommend you to not to use that kind of app, because these kind of apps are basically fake and doesn't work many times. So moreover, yeah, they also steal your data. So I will recommend you to not use that. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.